Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Manaiti Sophie. Today I'm going to show you my village. I'm going to take you to the highest point of my village, from where you'll see the beautiful views surrounded by the hills and trees. I want to upload this video in order to show you my village and also to keep it for a memory. So stay with me till the end of the video. Keep watching. Let's go. So friends, now I'm going out of my home to go and show you my village. So let's go. That is water syntax. We don't have water supply here, so we used to go and carry water from the river by the bolero pickup. This is our bolero pickup. You can hear the goats bleat. We have some goats in our house. Our road still kacha. It is good to go for an evening walk like that to get a fresh air. Since it is lockdown, it is very boring staying at home for the whole day. Okay, now I'll show you from where I'm coming. I'm going to show you. Yeah, there it is. That is my house. Let's continue walking. This is government school, Calvary English LP school. I'm moving towards the main road. That is to the place where I'm going. That is the highest point in our village. That way, and it will reach there. This is our shop, and that is our beautiful church. This road will take you to Badang. This is the way to Badang. And when you go straight this way, you will reach Meghalaya border. That is Khanduli. And the side, right side, this is the way to Hamren. Here is my sister cutting grasses. She's working very hard. We have some shops here, hotels, grocery shops. Okay, let's go to the place where I have mentioned. I have come from that way till here, the top. And here you can see some guys standing there. I will tell you later why they are standing there. This is our village. These are all the houses of my relatives. Now I'll tell you why they are standing there. They are standing there to come and browse the network. Even me, I used to come here to browse network, to send my reports to office and other purposes. You can see the sun sitting on the hills. The sun is setting. How beautiful it is, beautiful view. You can see the wiring line there. This doesn't give us light for many years. We can only see the line hanging around. See the beautiful view. Is it not amazing? Okay, we will talk to them later. When there are more numbers of people, we will talk to them. Before that, we will move little bit towards that house. I'll show you some machine, the local machine, by what we used to make some powders like turmeric powders, then rice powder, beaten rice, So we have to move down this way, and that is my house. And that hills, there contains pine trees. Yes. Ba, okay the nu theng lo malake. Nu theng lo bo. Kona roi ok lo. Am ima, pini ok pru be. Ba, ok chulong podi. Ba, okay the.
Kita lah kan plung selok nok dan dulu. Nah, hari kejang ki puha lah pudang orang bentang orang nama plung sedet dulu. Mandai tilong kan sipon.
Homemade turmeric powder, which is more healthy than the market products. So friends, let us go and talk to them. Oi, people lang tum dar ja breda. People lang tum dar ja from ke.
Yo, ini net kedam.
Net dam ma. Oh, hem ben net den ma.
Hem ben net ada deh. So jo ini sida ko ang nangkok lu.
Kalang ma.
Sarna, kita dah ni.
Nang tum da ke bang kopi pilo ke klem ente games ma patu.
Betul po Facebook po film download po la sana.
Kalang ma.
Hem ben net long le det mete.
Nang tum ke ente students lang bo.
Oh la sana.
Ante ka por he material saya ce download ma.
Ah sana, yak dam online class dulu.
Online class ada kan si dulu ma. Arbe ke yang ente.
Nudeng lewan po.
Nodeng ma.
Oh, ceng tekang tipen ta. Utpan tutun po.
Oh. Nang tum sob from class 10, class 12, BA, MA oh sumarang silo di.
Lalu.
Oh. Anke ajo bajian lo nang tum da dodo ke. Bajian lo nang tum da dodo ke.
10, 11.
Oh, 10, 11 ni nang tum ajir po tum ke paling angsongan PUBG ablok lo di. Nang tum bang gedak pen. Ba. La nang tum hedi ko anne jirpo tum pen tay macipi alang tum me paleng ang song si dodo la sohut la si nang tum asap so message pi sinang deh nang tum at time la tum han kosom si kacipi ma pu dak real picture dak pak lang sina.
Yo man. Yo man. Okay, it's alright. OGB. Come on, man.
Dangkon anan dodo la dak ho nang tum kerja. Bang krip ho. Regular tum lo bo. 15 ne. Kalang ma. Students la notes kenangi hiat tum an dak lo di wang wang. Ni ta dak wang wang la office report cipi hiat pan he. Oh. Ta. Thank you day nang tum he. Oh, support but thank you. So friends, as it is getting dark, I'm going back to my home. Whatever you have seen in the video, these are all reality. It is not acting. This is how we spend our life in the remote areas during this lockdown 2020. And since it is digital India, we are also enjoying the network facilities from our village. And hills is a plus point for us to assist the network. I thought of making this video and uploading in the internet in order to keep it for a memory. so that after a few years we can look back. So I'm going towards my home. Okay, bye bye, good night, take care. I hope you love the views, and I hope you enjoy walking with me around my village. Bye.